Okay, so what we want to look at now is creating our own custom style sheet, which we can go ahead and include here, as well as the foundation style sheet that we've already looked at. And this will do things, basically just this will overwrite, if you like, or just add and enhance styles that are already included in foundation, because we don't want to just include the base styles that are found there. So let's go ahead and just create a new file. We'll go ahead and save this inside of our website directory. We'll save this inside of CSS. So this is going to be called custom.css, and let's just go ahead and save that. So we've now got a custom.css style sheet that we can go ahead and include on this page to build out our design. So all we need to really do is duplicate this down here, and then go ahead and replace foundation.min.css with custom.css, and that's going to allow us to create custom styles on the page. So we're not going to do too much in this part because we're just sort of setting up the base things that we need to do here. But let's go ahead and just get rid of this, and we'll go ahead and create a body selector, and this is just going to target obviously the body, so it'll be anything within here. And we'll go ahead and we'll do a font, so we'll create a font. Now the font that we use for our general site is Open Sans, so if I just click on that, you see we've got Open Sans here. So what we actually need to do is we need to go ahead and go over to Google Web Fonts and look for Google Sans and include this on our page as well. So let's head over to Google Fonts. So if you just go ahead and Google for this, Open Sans, you'll be able to find this here. You get a little bit of information about the typeface as well. And we can go ahead and open Sans in Google Fonts. So what this will do is it will give us the ability to choose what we want to include on the page. So what I'm going to do is, just literally for the sake of this, so I can test around with things, is I'm going to select every single one, because there might be cases where I want to just play around with the look of things and include all of these. What we can then do is go back and refine what we don't require. So the standard method of inclusion is just putting a link in here. It's a sort of style sheet link, or not a style sheet link, but a link to this font. So let's go ahead and just copy this, go over to our text editor, into our index.html, come down a couple of lines and paste this in. So what I'm just going to do here is replace these single quotes with double quotes just to keep consistency. In fact, we don't need this type attribute at all, so we can get rid of that. So if we just go ahead and change these over. Okay, so now what we're ready to do is actually, type some test text in here and have a look at this on here. So that's using the default font that will be served with foundation. What we can now do is actually go ahead and change this body font. So I'm going to say font family, and I'm going to choose Open Sans. So that's now going to change that font to Open Sans. We've got a sort of clearer, lighter font here, and we're going to leave it like that. So that's basically setting up our custom style sheet, which we've done. We've gone ahead and included our first font, which is Open Sans. We're going to be including a couple more as well. And we've gone ahead and set the body to use this Open Sans font. So what we're now in the position to do is start going ahead and start building actual elements on our page.